విశాఖలో జరుగుతున్న సిఐఐ సదస్సులో ఇప్పటి వరకు 13 లక్షల కోట్ల పెట్టుబడులు వచ్చాయని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు తెలిపారు. శ్రీ సిటీలో మరికొన్ని యూనిట్లకు శంకుస్థాపన చేసిన సీఎం 20 MOUలు చేసుకున్నారు. ఒక ప్రణాళికతో ఇండస్ట్రియల్ టౌన్షిప్ ఏర్పాటు చేశామని, అభివృద్ధికి శ్రీ సిటీ చక్కటి ఉదాహరణగా అభివర్ణించారు. భవిష్యత్తులో మరో 500 యూనిట్లను నెలకొల్పి 31,000కు పైగా పెట్టుబడులు తెచ్చి 1,50,000 మందికి పైగా ఉద్యోగ అవకాశాలు కల్పించాలని శ్రీ సిటీ ఎండీ రవి సానారెడ్డి ని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు కోరారు.
One more best case study. This is Sri City. Now I can rate it the best in the country. Anybody want to talk about industrial township? Sri City is the best example as on today. That is how over a period of 2 decades they developed this city. International companies, global companies are operating here. These partnerships of 20 MOUs, they are able to do it. Nearly investment is, as on today, more than 31,450 crores, generating 1,10,000 jobs directly or indirectly, both put together. As on today, for the last 16 months, state government has attracted 8 lakh crores, 8.87 lakh crores we have sanctioned, clearances have been given. 2 days, nearly we are able to clean 13 lakh crores. That means roughly 18 months time, 22 lakh crores we are going to get investment. That is a historic achievement. I am very happy for that. I gave yesterday escrow account. This Sri City is having how many units now? Sri City? 240 units are there. Ask everybody to go for expansion or bring one more industry here. Their associations, all those things. Now we are giving another 2,000 acres of land is available. Government of Andhra Pradesh agreed to give another 2,500. That land is available, another 4,500. As on today, he developed 6,000 acres with 240 industries, 31 countries. Today I am fixing target for him, 50 countries, 500 or 450 industries, ultimately 1,50,000 employment. 1,50,000 employment, we will create a township there. Mini world. Not mini world, 50 countries means almost all. 1/3 of the world will be here, or bigger countries are all going to locate here. You have to build there one airstrip also now, so that very easy to come and go. Under hub and spoke model, one airstrip also we have to develop. Ultimately, our aim is very clear. This type of models are very important for employment generation. Finally, I want to see this industry net zero. Water treatment, water usage, everything. You have to go in that direction. Even what you call how to waste to energy, everything you have to develop it. Ultimately, government is very keen to promote investment. By seeing all these things, we have started now escrow account with sovereign powers. Anybody wanted to set up an industry in Sri City, automatically everything will be real time. We will give all clearances. He is going to provide all infrastructure support and also water, power, everything they are going to connect it.